Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the benefits of aloe vera and 2 different ways that you can use aloe vera for massive and extreme hair growth. So we're going to get into today's video and the benefits of aloe vera and 2 different ways you can use aloe vera for that maximum extreme hair growth. So the first benefit is aloe vera is a plant, it's organic and all natural. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduces scalp irritation as well as dandruff. It has moisturizing effects. The enzymes and fatty acid content help to reduce the inflammation. Vitamins A, C, B12, E, folic acid, and choline helps to nourish and strengthen the hair. Vitamins A, C, and E contributes to healthy cell turnover, which promotes healthy cell growth and shiny hair. B12 and the folic acid helps to keep the hair from falling out, which is awesome. Aloe vera cleanses the hair efficiently by stripping off extra sebum oil from other products as well as the residue from other products. And the type of hair that can benefit from aloe vera would be like oily hair, dry, brittle, damaged hair, curly hair, natural hair. So basically every and any hair can benefit from aloe vera. Okay guys, so I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to demonstrate how you can use aloe vera for your hair in 2 different ways. So one is going to be the aloe vera oil, how you make it, how you extract it from the plant, and the other is going to be aloe vera and coconut oil hair mask. So I already have the aloe vera prepped. I have it sliced like so, and that's to extract the oil. And then I have it cut in half like so to get 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel to make the hair mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil, which I have in here, which are 2 oils that are good for moisture and nourishing the hair to make the hair stronger and longer. And I'm going to put that to heat on the stove, as well as I'm going to put some virgin coconut oil unrefined in there as well. And then I'm going to add the sliced aloe vera. So I'm putting the sunflower oil and the extra virgin oil to heat on medium heat. And then after it starts to heat up, I'm going to add the virgin coconut oil unrefined in there. Okay guys, so while the oil is heating on the stove, I'm going to show you the plant because I actually prepped it before I came on camera. So this is the aloe vera plant. So I have 2 leaves in my hand. I'm going to put one down, and they're very pricky. So what you want to do is you want to wash it, and you want to cut the bottom off, and you want to cut the sides off. And I cut it down to like here because there's gel in the entire leaf. So I cut it down to like here because this doesn't have much gel. And then, ooh, prickly. And then I cut it to almost the very bottom because even though this is not as green and as potent, I would say, because it's not as green, it still has gel in there and it still can be used. And that's it. That's how you prep it. And then you slice it in very small pieces to extract the oil from it. Okay guys, so the oil is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put the coconut oil in the pot. And I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. That's about a tablespoon. And then I'm going to wait for the coconut oil to dissolve into the olive oil and the sunflower oil. And then I'm going to put the aloe vera plant in. It's dissolved. Alright, so I have the aloe vera plants right here. There. So guys, you're gonna let the aloe vera plant stay inside the oil until it becomes a brownish color. That's when the oil has been extracted from the plant. So while that's going on, I'm going to go ahead and show you the second way you can use aloe vera oil, which is as a hair mask. So when that's done, I'll show you what it looks like and how to extract the oil. Okay guys, so for the second way to use the aloe vera plant is with the hair mask, like I was saying before. So the ingredients that's going to be in the hair mask is going to be the gel from the plant. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of the gel to 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil, which is the unrefined coconut oil. So I'm going to get my tablespoon. I'm going to extract 2 scoops. So that's 2 tablespoons, right? But my hair is gonna need more than just 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna use the other half as well. Alright, okay guys, so the paste is ready and it looks somewhat, it looks somewhat like this, right? And as it sits, like for a few hours or a day or two, it's going to get more of a solid consistency because the coconut oil is going to go back to more of a solid consistency like it normally would. Now what you want to do is make sure that you mix it out because the gel is like normally like it's jelly, so it's more like almost like a solid but not solid consistency. So you want to make sure that you mix it out so that you have this smooth pasty consistency, and as you know the hours go by, the coconut oil will solidify and you'll have a creamy mask. What you want to also do is you want to also add either honey or vitamin C. Honey or vitamin C. These two are natural preservatives, so it will help to preserve the life of your mask. And I am choosing to use vitamin C, and it will help your coconut oil. It will help your aloe vera oil as well as your aloe vera mask to last much longer. Studies show that it can last up to 5 years by using vitamin C, natural preservative. So I'm gonna get my skin. I use a scoop from another container. And that much is fine. And I just mix my natural preservative into my solution because I'm not going to use it tonight. I'm going to use it the next time I wash my hair. So how you use this is you apply it all over your hair from root to end. and then you apply it to your scalp and you let it sit on your hair for 30 minutes. You want to cover it up with a bag or a cap if you have a cap, and you let it sit on your hair for 30 minutes. For maximum effect, you could do 2.5 hours, then you want to rinse it out. All right, let me take a look at the oil that's being extracted. As you can see, the aloe vera plant is not as green as it was when we initially started. It's more of a brown look. So that means that the oil has been extracted. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off. Okay guys, so what I did was I actually strained off the oil into a container. I'm going to allow it to sit and cool. Then I'm going to transfer it to a dark bottle. This is where I'm going to store it. Actually, this is a recycled bottle. So I had another oil in there before that's finished. So it's a perfect bottle for storing the aloe vera oil. So yay! Yeah, so once the oil has cooled, I will put it in this bottle. Before I put it in the bottle, I'm going to add some vitamin C as well for preservative, and then put it in this bottle, and I will have oil. So I strained it like so in this container, right? I think, can I show you? I want to show you the amount of oil that's in here. I think I have enough oil to last me for 30 days. It's you can see it's that much. I'm tilting it. It's that much oil that's in there. So that's going to be enough oil to last me for 30 days. And that's it guys. Two awesome ways to use aloe vera in your hair for strength, for moisture, for length, length retention of course, because look at those awesome benefits I went over earlier. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are just passing by my channel and my channel is new to you, please feel free to subscribe and join the family. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. And to my existing subscribers, I appreciate you guys as well. So don't forget to thumbs up, like the video, because this helps the algorithm to show my video to other people so they can see the awesome benefits of aloe vera, as well as to get familiarized with my channel as well. So please like and share, and if you like to comment, you can also comment. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.